HJKLIUT is the flashlight. Magnetic, clip-on, rotatable screen. It has 2 COB lights on here and a number of lights over here, 2 buttons to press. It has a number of modes, and I'm going to demonstrate what it looks like at the bench as well as nighttime. So let's show you what the flashlight is about. The top button, 1 press and cycle through. High beam, low beam, rapid flash, off. High beam, low beam, long press, nothing happens. Double press, back to high beam, and off. On the bottom, press it once, we have a warm Kelvin, we have a red light, a blue light, an SOS red and blue light. As we press it again, it cycles off. The 3 lights, red, blue, red and blue. Long press is off. Double press doesn't do anything. The head, 90 degrees, and rotate over 200 degrees. When closing with the light facing down, it's locked into position. Open, rotate, and you're able to rotate around 180 degrees. And able to open up and rotate. On the back is a clip. On the bottom is a magnet. Find a metal area, simply attach it, and set it up to the way you like your camera. You're able to point it at you, hands-free. Do your work in the car and more. We have a small screen of 100% and a green flashing light for charging. The light is in the on position for like a night light. And the light is in the on as we could rotate around and show. The top of the unit gets hot because of the light. We're able to turn both lights on at the same time and choose whatever settings we want. In the evening hours, we'll show you what the flashlight looks like. Okay, we're gonna shine the light so you can see how nice and bright it is. And then red, blue, and then the mixture, and off. Now what we're gonna do is shine the light over here on the car, the floor, to the camera. It gives a blue light sometimes, and low, and rapid. So it gives you an idea of what the light's about, and what we're going to do is we're going to stick it to the pole, which is metal, or over here, which is metal. As you can see, it stays on there, hands-free. So wherever you need to have light to shine and adjust down on an angle, camping, hiking, biking, by the boat, by the RV, working on the car, anywhere that you need to have light. I hope you enjoy your mini light anywhere you want to take it. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.